Welcome to Small Business Saturday at Legal Quilts. Today we're just going to do something really fun and short, and it's toys. I don't just make quilts or wall hangings. One of the fun things I really like to do is make balls. These are just little toy balls. This one's flannel, so that one's really nice. And these can be used for small children or pets. I know I've given one as a gift to a friend for their dog. So they're very nice, they're soft, and as you can see, they come in a variety of sizes. I have one favorite pattern. I've got a few other patterns, but I really like this simple one, and you can tell I'm a lawyer because there's a Constitution ball. But it's still, they're all soft, so little ones can use them and they won't get hurt. Another thing I made was a set of blocks, which this was done in patriotic fabric, but they can be done in other fabrics, obviously. And they're just, again, soft and fun for a kid to use. And they do stack somewhat. But they're just kind of fun things for little ones to play with. These are all online at my Legal Quilts web shop, along with the other things listed there, or on the Facebook page for some other things. So stop by on this Small Business Saturday and get some of your Christmas shopping, your holiday shopping done. If you don't want to buy anything, you can always buy me a coffee over at Legal Quilts. It's actually tea, but they have coffee in their name. I drink tea, but you can buy me a cup of tea just to support my work. And the cool thing about buying me a cup of tea is everybody buys me a cup of tea. I make a block for a charity quilt. And if I get enough, I'll have a quilt to donate to charity. So you support me and help others at the same time. So keep that in mind. Legal Quilts for your shopping. 25% always goes to charity. Or Ko-fi, buy me a cup of tea and help me make a charity quilt. Thank you.